All right, guys, you probably clicked on this video because you need an angle of depression word problem. Let's get right into it. So the ship is on the surface of the water and detects a submarine at a diagonal distance of 238 feet at an angle of depression of 23 degrees. There's our angle of depression. What is the depth of the submarine? Okay, so let's draw a picture of this. We got some water, right? We have a ship up here, like this, right? And then it detects at a diagonal distance a submarine. Okay, I don't know how to draw these, but we'll look like this. And it says, what is the depth of this submarine? So depth is straight up to the water, which means this right here is my right triangle. Okay, so how about this? In the comments below, maybe put a scale of 1 to 10 on how good this drawing is. 1 being, yikes, I'm glad you're a math teacher. 10 being, you could have considered art. All right, but anyway, in this picture, let's fill in the numbers. We have, what, a 23 degree angle of depression. Now, angle of depression is just if you are looking horizontal, or in this case, along the water horizontally, you need to go down, and that happens right here. Okay, so that's our angle of depression. Normally they call it theta, but we actually have the degrees for it. This time it is going to be 23 degrees. All right, 23 degrees, like that. What else do we know? We know that the ship detects it at a diagonal distance of 238 feet. So in this case, 238 feet, this is the only diagonal thing that I see there. So this is going to be my 238. We'll say this is in feet. All right, so the depth is going to be this distance. How far below the surface is the submarine? And to figure this out, we need to use trig, which means you better have a calculator handy, ready to go. All right, in this case, we have 23 degrees. Compared to that, I need my opposite side and the hypotenuse. All right, well, opposite and hypotenuse, that is sine. We're going to use our sine function. All right, so I need sine of 23 degrees equals the opposite x over the hypotenuse 238. Okay, well this one turns out really nice because they gave us our hypotenuse. We can just multiply by 238 on both sides and our x will be isolated. So times by 238, multiply over here by 238. They're going to cancel on the right side. On the left side, just type in the calculator, type in 238 times sine of 23. Sine of 23, and this should spit out our answer, which is 92.99. Let's call it 93 feet below the surface. So that's going to be x, all right? X is 93 feet below the surface. Hey, if this helped you out, maybe try this video where there's an angle of elevation story problem.